So I wanted to give an introduction to this build series we're fixing to do. I've got a Kubota SVL97-3 that's a workhorse machine for us. I use it for moving, whether I'm doing some land clearing with it or I'm using it to move pallets or machineries around or unload metal, unload material from trucks. It's been an absolute workhorse. I'm not an expert in some of that machinery, but I have quite a few Kubota tractors. I'm kind of partial to the brand. It's just one of those things. Everybody has a different brand. I'm sure there's pluses and minuses to all of them. But one of the things I wanted to do was some upgrades to it. I'm not a skilled expert operator. I have several, like anybody else, thousands of hours running different machines. But hey, we make mistakes, right? So there's a company out there that makes some upgrades to it. You'll see in some of the videos. I went ahead and put some upgrades in there to make this thing a little more robust so I don't make so many mistakes, because I will. And so I just want to kind of give a little bit of an idea of background, what's going on with it. But this is the type of content I want to bring to you guys, that this may not be exactly in my metal cutting field and everything else I'm doing making machinery, but it's one of the parts here that helps HDW Systems run. So that's kind of where I wanted to kind of give a little introduction video to this playlist. I hope you check out and watch all of it. And I'll do some other build videos on the other tractors based upon how this stuff goes. But just kind of giving a background of a broad variety of what HDW Systems is going to bring to market for what I do. This isn't even a piece that's making money for the business, but without that, I couldn't operate what I do. Sometimes, unloading plate steel from a truck or something like that, you're just not going to do that by hand. So these machines come in handy. They're workhorses, the backbone of the business. So I just wanted to kind of have fun with this little idea of bringing something to life and just kind of get the new YouTube feel out of the way and see what happens with it. So I hope you hit like, comment, subscribe, and share. Kind of get some engagement going on a thing. Give me some comments. Find out what I did wrong, what you want to see done, questions you have on stuff that I can make. And if you have other projects you'd like to work with HDW Systems on, kind of give ideas, feedback. Like I said, we do 3D printing, engineering, design, metal cutting, CNC work on whether it's woodworking, getting into metal working. I have an X-Tool metal fab machine, which is a CNC using a laser cutting metal. That's an interesting one that's going to be coming up. So definitely check out the channel. Give me some feedback. Let's see what happens, and let's get this video started. Thanks for sticking around. Once again, this is Dave with HDW Systems, and I hope to see you soon.